Hello students, today's class we are going to discuss about the adaptation. Last class we discussed what is an adaptation. Is an evolutionary process for the plants and animals being suited to the particular environment to live according to their habitat. That is called as an adaptation. And we discussed about the adaptations of the polar region animals like penguin. It's a flightless bird, and we discussed about the polar bear and polar birds as well as the polar fishes also. Now today's class we have to discuss about the adaptations of the tropical rainforest animals. Before going to that, we have to know that what is the specialty of the tropical regions, tropical rainforest regions. What is the specialty? It is that they have a hot climate is there. Why it is having hot climate? Because they have location is around the equator. Even in the coldest month, their temperature is higher than 15 degree, and the hot summers we see that it is a 40 degree centigrade. And we see that plenty of rainfall. Another specialty of the tropical region is that they have receiving a plenty of rainfall will be the. We see this tropical rainforest region in Western Ghats, Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central Africa, as well as Central America also. So this, because of this continuous warmth in this region and plenty of rainfall in this region, help us to support the enormous varieties of plants and the animals. Like we can see monkeys will be there, elephants will be there, gorillas, tiger, different variety, even different varieties of birds, frogs, every animals we can see that. Even lion-tailed macaque, so many animals will be seeing in the tropical rainforest. And another specialty is that we can see the different varieties of flora and the fauna, varieties of plants as well as the varieties of animals will be seen in the tropical rainforest. And coming to the tropical rainforest animals, the first adaptation we have to learn is the red-eyed frog. We see that red-eyed frog here, the picture. We can see this frog in the tropical regions more number. So what is the adaptation taken place in the body to live in that particular habitat? They have adapted, they have a long sticky pads will be the help us to climb on the trees where they live. They are also arboreal. So many of them are eating fruits and the leaves. So we can say it is a herbivorous. Many of them are herbivorous will be there, but few are carnivorous also is there. And coming to the next animal we have to discuss is the monkeys. Monkeys also we can see large numbers in the tropical rainforest because the climatic condition is more suitable for to live. So more number of species will be there in the tropical rainforest. So what is this adaptive features for them? They have a long tail for grasping on the branches, and their hands and feet help them to hold on the branches will be there. So this adaptation helps us to exist in that particular environment. And next animal is that birds. Birds also here we have to specify to study. It is the toucan. Is one of the colorful beak bird. So it's a brightly colored beaks are there, and they are arboreal only there. They make a nest in the trees. There as well as sometimes they will make a holes, they use the other animals are excavated the holes, they will be laying eggs on that also. And most of them are frugivorous, that is fruits eating one, and sometimes they will eat the insects also, small insects and the animals they will be eating. And this long and large colorful beak, what is the specialty? Help them to attract the mates, help us for the reproduction, and the same way it helps us to climb the small branches, light branches, and taking the fruits from that branches. This they help us to support the body also. When they are going for sleep and they make their body warm, how this they will be keeping this beak under the wings. Slowly they bore the head like that, and beaks will be going under the head, so their body become very warm during the night time. So they're keeping the body warm like this pattern. And these are the animals we discussed today. We discussed what is a specialty of the tropical regions, climatic conditions of tropical regions, and about the adaptations of the red-eyed frog, monkeys, as well as toucan. And we can see that specialty is that the skin color. Some of the animals can able to change the skin color will be the according to the surroundings will be the, and sensitive hearing and sharp eyesight will be the, and the thick skin. These are the peculiarities of the tropical region animals. So next class we are going to discuss the other animals like tropical region animals like elephant as well as the lion-tailed macaque. So we have to discuss that. Thank you.